Good morning, students. Let us continue with our chapter number 10, tens and hundreds. Now, what you have to do? Next is complete the following table. Now, see, some shapes are given here. You have to write in fraction form and decimal fraction. Now, see, now first you will count these parts. Now, when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That is total part is 10. And how many parts are colored? 1, 2 and 3. That is 3 by 10. This is fraction form. Now to write in decimal fraction, what you will do? You will convert this into decimal fraction. That is 3 by 10 is 0.3. Understood? Now the second one is, now the total part when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the total part is 10 and the colored part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 by 10. When we convert into decimal fraction, that is 0.7. Now the third figure is, now see, this is total 100. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 tens are 100. So the total part is 100. And the colored part. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 by 100. So, when we convert 9 by 100 to decimal fraction, that is 0.09. Now, here also same, total part is 100 and the colored part. Now, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines and these are 10. Okay, so 6 into 10 is 60. That is 60 by 100. So, the decimal fraction is 0.60. Now see here, the total part is 100 and the colored parts, these two lines, that is 20. So when we convert to decimal fraction, that is 0.20. Understood? Next is answer the following questions from the details given in the table. Now a table is given here. You have to see this table and then you have to answer the question. Now see, country, currency and changed into Indian rupees. First is America, the dollar 64.03, England, pound 85.55, China, yuan 9.74, Hong Kong, dollar 8.19, Japan, yen 0.56, Nepal, rupee 0.62, Sri Lanka, rupee 0.41, Germany, euro 75.96, Australia, dollar 49.45, South Africa, rand 5.07, South Korea, 0.06, Singapore, dollar 47.50. Based on this table, now you will answer the questions. Okay. Our first question is, the money of which country will cost the most in Indian rupees? So we can see in the table, the money of England will cost the most in Indian rupees. Understood? Now see the second question. Samir's uncle has sent 50 USA dollars from America as a gift. How much does it cost in Indian rupees? Now see, Samir's uncle sent 50 USA dollars from America as a gift. Now we have to see what is the cost of the 50 USA dollar in Indian rupees. Now in the table it is given, cost of 1 USA dollar is rupees 64.03. Now we have to convert 50 USA dollars. So cost of 50 USA dollar is equal to 50 into 64 0.03. Here it is 64.03. That means to remove the point, we will divide it by 100. So 50 ones are 50, 50 twos are. Okay, and when we divide 6403 by 2, we will get 3201.50. That means 3201 rupees and 50 paise. Understood? Next, third. Darshana's auntie has brought a gift for her from China. It cost 100 yuan. How much does it cost in Indian rupees? Now see, and Darshana's auntie, she brought a gift of 100 yuan. That means China, the dollar of China is yuan, that is 100 yuan. Now we have to see what is the cost of the gift in Indian rupees. Now 1 yuan is equal to rupees 9.74. So we will convert 100 yuan into Indian rupees. So what you will do? So 100 into rupees 9.74 is equal to, you know, rupees 974. Okay, this decimal point 100, 2 zeros. That means this decimal point will shift this side 2 place. Okay, that is rupees 974. The cost of the gift in Indian rupees is rupees 974. Next question is, how much ones does Sanjay Bhai get against 60 Indian rupees? Now see, in the table it is given. Now see here. 1 is 0.06. Yani in Indian rupees 0.06 is 1 won. So we have to see here. Rupees 0.06 is equal to 1 ones. So how many ones he will get against rupees 60? So what we will do? We will multiply 60 into 1, divide by 0.06. Now see here, 60 divided by 6 by 100. Why? To remove this decimal point. Now when we divide the fraction, this is denominator. Denominator will become the numerator and numerator will become the denominator. Now see here, 60 into 100 by 6. Now cut, 6 ones are 6, 6 tens are. 10 into 100 is 1000 ones. That means Sanjay Bhai will get 1000 ones against rupees 60. Next, how much Hong Kong dollars does Dilip Bhai get against 819 Indian rupees? Now see, 1 Hong Kong dollar is equal to rupees 8.19. So we have to see how much Hong Kong dollar Dilip Bhai will get against 819 Indian rupees. So rupees 8.19 is equal to 1 Hong Kong dollar. Therefore, rupees 819 is equal to how much? Again same, rupees 819 divided by 819 by 100. We removed the decimal point here. So again we will bring this denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. So 819 into 100 by 819, we will cut 819, that is $100. So Dilip Bhai will get $100 against rupees 819. Next is, Prinu's father works in Singapore. He gets 1000 Singapore dollar as a salary. Arun's father works in Australia. He gets 980 Australian dollar as salary. Who gets more salary in Indian rupees? Now see, Prinu's father, he gets 1000 Singapore dollar as salary, and Arun's father, he gets 980 Australian dollar as a salary. We have to see who gets more salary in Indian rupees. So first we will see salary of Prinu's father in Indian rupees. So Now see, salary of Prinu's father is equal to 1000 Singapore dollar. Now 1 Singapore dollar is equal to rupees 47.50. This is given in the table. Therefore 1000 Singapore dollar is equal to how much? So we will multiply for 47.50 into 1000 divided by 100. So we removed the point, decimal point here. So 2 zeros cut. When you will multiply 4750 with 10, you will get rupees 47,500. This is the salary of Prinu's father in Indian rupees. Okay. Now let us find the salary of Arun's father in Indian currency. Now salary of Arun's father is equal to 980 Australian dollar. So 1 Australian dollar is equal to rupees 49.45. Therefore 980 Australian dollar is equal to how much? So we will multiply 980 into rupees 49.45. So while with doing this, see 100, this 00 cut. When you will multiply 98 with 4945, you will get 484610. Divide by 10, 00 cut. So the salary of Arun's father in Indian rupees is 48,461. Now see, the salary of Prinu's father in Indian rupees is 47,500 and the salary of Arun's father is 48,461. So who gets more salary in Indian rupees? Arun's father gets more salary in Indian rupees. Understood? Our next question is, the temperature of 3 days in Ahmedabad is shown in the table given below. Answer the following questions on its basis. Now see here, the maximum and the minimum temperatures of 3 days of Ahmedabad is shown here in a table. Now on the basis of this table, we have to answer the following questions. Now see, on Monday, the maximum temperature was 35.4 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 23.9 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, the maximum temperature was 35.8 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 24.4 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday, the maximum temperature was 35.7 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 23.6 degrees Celsius. Now we will answer the following questions. Now see here, our first question is, which is the hottest day? Now see here in the table you can see maximum temperature यानी सबसे ज़्यादा temperature. देखो मंडे को it was 35.4 डिग्री सेल्सियस, ट्यूसडे it was 35.8 डिग्री सेल्सियस, वेडनेसडे it was 35.7 degree Celsius. So on which day it was the hottest day? Now 35.8 degrees Celsius is more. That means Tuesday is the hottest day. Understood? Now our second question. What is the difference between maximum and minimum temperature of Monday? हमें मंडे का मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम टेम्परेचर का डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है. नाउ सी, ऑन मंडे द मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर वाज 35.4 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड द मिनिमम टेम्परेचर वाज 23.9 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो डिफरेंस फाइंड करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? मैक्सिमम में से मिनिमम को माइनस करेंगे. नाउ सी, 35.4 डिग्री सेल्सियस मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर ऑफ मंडे minus 23.9 degrees Celsius, which is the minimum temperature of Monday. Now when we will subtract, we will get 11.5 degree Celsius. So the difference between the maximum and minimum temperature of Monday was 11.5 degree Celsius. Understood? Now our third question. State the difference between maximum and minimum temperature of Wednesday. Now same questions. Now the difference between maximum and minimum temperature of Wednesday. Now see here, the maximum temperature of Wednesday was 35.7 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 23.6 degrees Celsius. So from 35.7 degrees Celsius, we will subtract 23.6 degree Celsius. So we will get the answer 12.1 degree Celsius. Understood? Our next question is the minimum temperature of Monday more or less than the minimum temperature of Wednesday? By how much? This question is, we have to find the minimum temperature of Monday is more or less than the minimum temperature of Wednesday, and by how much? Now see, the minimum temperature of Monday was 23.9 degree Celsius and the minimum temperature of Wednesday was 23.6 degree Celsius. So 23.9 is Monday and the minimum temperature of Wednesday is 23.6 degree Celsius. That means the minimum temperature of Monday is more than the minimum temperature of Wednesday. And by how much? So we will subtract 23.6 degrees Celsius from 23.9 degrees Celsius. When we subtract, we will get 0.3 degree Celsius. So the minimum temperature of Monday is more by 0.3 degree Celsius. Understood? Our next question. What is the difference between maximum temperature of Tuesday and minimum temperature of Wednesday? अब maximum temperature of Tuesday और minimum temperature of Wednesday दोनों का difference find करना है. Now maximum temperature of Tuesday was 35.8 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature of Wednesday was 23.6 degrees Celsius. And we have to find the difference. So we will subtract. So when we will subtract, we will get 12.2 degree Celsius. Understood? With this, we complete our chapter here.